Hi everyone and Assalamu alaikum. I was here with another easy peasy recipe. Today is the fourth day of our pizza special series and my kids and I are making veggie wrap pizza. Yes, you heard it right. My kids are also here today.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Zainab.
Assalamu alaikum, I am Mustafa.
This is the perfect recipe for kids to learn and follow. You'll just have to set it up for them and show how the first one is made. Then they can do it on their own. Before I start on with my recipe, I'll tell you about the pizza special series. I am planning to post every day this week till Friday. I have already posted pizza flavored loaded fries, pizza quesadillas, and cheesy pizza pasta. While doing it, I also came up with a tongue twister. Did you try it yet? It was pizza pasta people pleaser. I made my kids do it, but they couldn't do it.
Pizza, pasta, people, pleaser. Pizza, pasta, people, pleaser. People, pasta, people, pleaser. People, pasta, people, pleaser. Pizza, pasta, people, pleaser.
So that was pretty funny. Anyway, so today I'm bringing Veggie Wrap Pizza. This series is especially for all the moms who are out of ideas and all the bubs who are bored of eating same old food. So subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the updates. So when I told my kids that we are going to have a pizza, they were excited and they were like,
Yay! Pizza!
but then I told them it's going to be a veggie pizza and they were like,
Really? I don't want veggie pizza.
But then I told them they can choose from the given toppings and make it themselves. They were like,
Yes! You're the best mother.
I showed them how to make the first one with all the toppings and then they proceeded on their own. I had all the things laid out in front of them so they can choose and pick. They really enjoyed this cooking activity and made some pizza faces which were really adorable. Here's how today's video will go. I'll let you know the ingredients and show you how I made the first one with all the toppings. Then my kids will chime in and tell you which ingredients they used and how did they make those adorable pizza faces. Here are all the things that you will need. As per name, you would have understood that I am using wraps as a base and all veggies, no meat at all. So you'll need large wraps. I think one wrap per child is enough. Pizza sauce. As I've told you before, I love using store-bought pizza sauce because it's quick. I do have a really good recipe. If you want me to make it for you guys, comment down below and let me know. I'll show you how it's made. Mesclun mix. You can use any leaf mix or just baby spinach. I really like the taste of these in sandwiches and wraps. For other toppings, I have used tomatoes, bell peppers, olives and onions. If you want to add meat, go for any mince or pepperoni. I think that would taste good with all the veggies. And obviously, last but not least, shredded mozzarella and shredded cheddar cheese. You lay your wrap on pizza pan covered with baking paper. Spread 1 to 2 tablespoon pizza sauce on it. And cover the base with mesclun mix. Now add some mozzarella. Adding mozzarella at this stage is important because it helps in holding all the veggies together. Now add some tomatoes and onions and sprinkle some cheddar on it. Add olives and bell pepper and sprinkle some more mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Add some chili flakes if you wish. This is totally optional. You can leave it out if you want. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 7 to 10 minutes or until the cheese melts. So the first one is done. Now my kids will tell you about theirs and share their experience. Over to you, Zainab.
First, I spread 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce on my wrap. Then I added some mesclun mix. Then I sprinkled mozzarella. For my toppings, I only sprinkle olives because I love olives and I don't like tomatoes on my pizza. Then I added both the cheese and made a smiley face. For eyes, I placed bell peppers and in the middle of it, I placed a tomato. For mouth, I used half a slice of bell peppers and I used a tomato on the side as a tongue. I asked my mom to bake it for me. It looked quite funny and it was very scrumptious. I enjoyed making it by myself. Over to you, Mustafa.
Thank you, Zainab.
Welcome.
First, I spread 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce on my wrap. Then I sprinkled some leaves on my wrap. When the whole wrap was covered, I sprinkled some mozzarella. For the topping, I only chose tomatoes because I don't like olives. Then I added loads of cheese and made a smiley face. I used bell pepper for eyes. I used half slice of bell pepper for the smile. Then I added onions for the beard. Finally, I put it in the oven and set the timer for 10 minutes. My mom took it out when it was done. It was delicious and cheesy because I added lots and lots of cheese. I was very happy that my mom asked us to make the pizza by ourselves.
Okay, thank you, puppies.
You're welcome, Mama.
So here are all the 3 of the veggie wrap pizzas we made, and my kids absolutely love making them and eating them. So do give it a try and share your creations at mahas.shack on Instagram. I usually post 2 recipes in a week on Monday and Friday, but as it's a pizza special, I'm posting 1 every day this week. So keep checking in. Comment below and tell me what else will you add in your veggie wrap pizza.
Bye for now! Thanks for